Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 43 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to apply paragraph styles inside of Adobe InDesign. So over here you can see that I got my text and I can individually select them and apply paragraph styles onto them manually. But a quicker way is to go from Essentials to Advanced if you have not already done so. And you can see that on the right hand side you can see something called paragraph styles. So just click on it, and here I want to predefine some of the character styles I want to apply. So for that I'm going to click on new icon right here. You'll see the paragraph style right here, and to edit the paragraph style simply right click and go to edit paragraph style right there. And over here I can select, like, let's say for example, add in basic paragraph style. So for example, I want to add an underline to this, so underline will be on over here. I can select the type of underline as well. So let's say for example this is gonna be a Japanese dot underline right there. And over here I can also set the tabs and so forth if you want to add it onto it. So over here let me just go into character color. Let me change a different color for this, like this one. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so just select green for this. And then you can also set the indent and spacing. You can also go to like let's say font, the font family. You can select different size for the font. So this is gonna be for the heading itself, and you can also set the kerning and so forth. So I'm just gonna press OK, and you can see that actually applies the paragraph style right there. And over here you can see that once I select that is actually applied just like that. So over here I'm gonna rename this. So I'm gonna select the paragraph style right here. I'm gonna let's say for example rename this. Just click on it, and you can see that I can change this to heading. Alright, so for this one it actually applied it, so I'm just gonna press basic paragraph and it'll revert back to normal. So this is gonna be for the heading. And for normal body, let's say I'm gonna create a new paragraph style. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go into edit paragraph style over here. And then over here in the paragraph right here you can also set the rules and so forth, as you can see. So you can set the drop caps and so forth. So I'm gonna set the drop cap into line 1, and this is just gonna be lines 2, and this is just gonna be for one character right there. And the indent spacing, basic character format, I'm gonna do let's say for example over here I'm just gonna choose a Myriad Pro. So I'm just gonna press directly type over there and press OK. So over here nothing happens right here, and you can see that now this is on basic paragraph. If I were to select the paragraph style 1, you can see that actually being applied over here right there. So you can just click on the paragraph and click it, and you can see that it actually applies the paragraph style. I don't need to select all the paragraph because InDesign knows that is the paragraph right there. So just click on it, and that's how you ensure. So if I had to select each and every paragraph and then make the paragraph, then it would have taken a lot of time. So I'm gonna say this is the title right there, and for the title just click on heading, and that's how the title actually appears. So this is how paragraph styles actually work, and you can see that the workflow is quite easy, and it instantly applies the selected paragraph styles onto there by using the click over here. So you can simply click and apply the paragraph styles. So that is how paragraph styles work inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.